Thank you so much. Palakpakin naman tayo ako dagito MC kayo, our tourism students from the University of Baguio. Lang po our MC. Ayan. Mabuhay at magandang umaga ng Trinidad. It is my honor to introduce our guest of honor and speaker for the first ever La Trinidad Equality Expo. Our guest of honor and speaker was born here in La Trinidad, Benguet, and currently residing or resides in Pico, La Trinidad. So, tayo ba tayo? She previously served as a regional director of POPCOM CAR. Now we call it CPD CAR, or the Commission on Population and Development CAR, where she championed data-driven, people-centered planning and push LGUs to build aging-ready, inclusive communities for every Cordilleran. She was the forefront of key advocacies: aging-ready Cordillera, responsible parenthood and adolescent health, and gender equality and inclusive development. Under her leadership as a POPCOM director, promoted the idea that equality starts in the family and in the community, ensuring that women, men, and every sector have equal opportunities to participate in development. At present, she is the Director 3 of the Department of Social Welfare and Development, Field Office, Cordillera Administrative Region. Our director leads also the DSWD CAR and delivering programs that uplift the lives of the poor, vulnerable, and disadvantaged. From emergency assistance and crisis intervention to livelihood opportunities and community-based programs. Her work ensures that every individual here in La Trinidad, regardless of age, gender, or economic status, has access to health and hope. She is known for her strong advocacy on gender equality, women empowerment, and the protection of children, youth, senior citizens, persons with disabilities, solo parents, and other sectors. Her leadership reminds us that equality is not just about rights on paper, but about real services reaching real people in every barangays. Today, she will share with us how we can turn the spirit of bayanihan into concrete action for an inclusive La Trinidad. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor and speaker, Director 3, Cecil Aguilan Basawi. Give a round of applause, everyone.
Sige, mabalik yung ang tugawin. Nag-exercise kayo tatay, nag-project kowa. Okay? So, again, naimbag na sa tayo amin. I think everyone has already acknowledged tatay by the Mayor and Vice Mayor. So, in behalf of our team in DSWD, as well as the more than 3,000 angels in red vest all over the Cordillera, we congratulate La Trinidad for their first ever expo. Isudya ko lang timan ka ni Sir Belmar tatay nga, wow, this is the first ever dito sa mga LGUs ng Cordillera. Ayan, palakpakan po natin talaga ang sarili natin because today is a very historic event. Not because handa tayo dito yung gymnasium, kasi kanayon tayo magnawa dito yung gymnasium, di ba? Not because of the speeches na maitid or naitid, or the performances or the exhibit, but rather, it is historic because it chose to declare something powerful. Sabi nga ni Mayor kanina, everyone is equal. And today, it emphasizes that kasi every person matters. and every story matters. So in case kung nanto dagay anak tayo, kas ano nga nagrugrugi daytoy equality expo ditoy Cordillera or ditoy La Trinidad, we can proudly say, I was there when it started. So sabi nga nila, every journey starts with a single step. And as a God advocate, nabayang nga yan, advocate tayo data, God, di ba? Katatalang nga dati ordinance nga at dating equality expo. So again, congratulations po, La Trinidad. So, kaputa, 1 month before J venue, na in-invite na ito, ano ti, medyo atitong J in-ready na speech ko. Okay. So, when we talk of equality, we look at the stories of people. So during my field visits, I don't know if it's in Ifugao, but I remember meeting a very young boy. Kat magmag na mapan ang eskwela. So nunong napan tayo siguro dyan Ifugao, baka kunayo nga adamot ay atikasasay. But there was a boy that I met, rain or shine, umaakyat ba siya just to attend school. So I asked, being a field worker, I asked, apay ngayon, anong sam na magmagna? Tutuna na, practice ko lang yan, dahil ma'am, tapnon at adayupay, di makadanon na. Tama po ba? Yes. So when we talk of equality, we talk of access. Sorted Tagala Trinidad na siguro amin kung tumano ng teaching. Tama po ba, Mayor? So, hantay mga marigatan nga mang-attain or mang-paeskwila kada gito'y aanak tayo. When we talk of equality, we look at the distance that our children need to walk every day, going to school and coming from school, just to avail of services. Or dagay makikita tayo ijay Facebook nga anyan si kunata ijay mas asiw ti ko police just to bring them to the nearest hospital. So ngayon pa lang, nakikita po natin that we have not started really life equally. Kasi distansya pa lang ng paaralan sa bahay natin ay magkakalayo na. Or when we talk of solo parents, hanta yung ma-equal kasi yung solo parent, may sanang piman nga siguro mang takder kadagi anak na kaya pamilya na. So kudos to the solo parents. Actually, when I was doing my master's, I think, or my dissertation, I did research on the implementation of Solo Parents Welfare Act here in the Cordillera. And I am happy that the expanded Solo Parents Law already included the findings of the research. Okay, salamat po. And again, when we talk of equality, yung isang person with a disability, hirap na hirap iman na navigate sa kanilang mga wheelchair. And hindi lang po dun sa kanilang siguro dyan buildings, but also, we have also to consider din yung mga jeeps on how they could access also yung mga jeeps natin. If I am to share, we have a PWD staff in J office. Kuti mang maniho inal daw kanya na, kajay PWD mo lang nga asawa na. Kut na ipasadya jay luganda, makikita may man ngayon na i-building and everything to accommodate their needs. So when we talk of equity, I think that is the basic picture of equity. We talk of equality, meaning everyone has the same, but when we talk of the needs of certain sectors, we already talk of equity. So, halimbawa, when we talk of equity, no tintuloy tayo dyan parate, apan tayo dyan mount yang buwing yan. Kaya tayo ba? Sino nga ta? Ni first na makadanon? Ni Mayor na ta? Or ni Attorney Bar? Sino nga ta? Kas ano nga ta? Luti ko na ni Mayor Di ba, di na nakadalo na, bahala kayo na, katong sumarunong. Di ba? Kasi kung titingnan natin, iba-iba ang populasyon na meron tayo ngayon. At dati OOP, at dati advanced in age, at dati dakil mapada, baka last kami nga dumanon, nung adamot lang di healthy individual. So, ang gusto kasi natin, everyone should reach the top. So, as residents of La Trinidad, swerte tayo, dati officials tayo, nga mangpanpanunod na iti equality and equity iti services tayo. Kasi baka no apan tayo di mga kalugong is isuda lang, ti makadanon, no haanda nga i-ensure halimbawa nga, uray tayo, kag matulungan tayo. In the Cordillera, we understand something deeper. When one person struggles, we help. Di ba? Automatic data. No pa nagta-typhoon, automatic nga dati tumulong. And no pa nag-aaramid ti balay, automatic nga damot laeng di umay makipuhos. So Father's Day was yesterday kahapon. At alam niyo ba kung bakit ang fathers ay tinawag na father? Bakit? Dahil sila ang pader. Oh, di ba? Okay, so sila ang pader, di ba? They give the strong walls of each of our houses. And us, ito'y Trinidad, yung officials natin provide the walls that would protect us. And this ordinance of equality ensures nga we both have equality and equity. Because it recognizes that life does not begin the same for everyone. And that is why programs for all our sectors, na maibagbagatay women, IP, solo parents, PWD, senior citizens, youth, and LGBTQ are not special treatment. They are bridges to ensure that we would arrive at the same destination. So, dahil nag-start ang classes, I'm sure some of you could relate, maybe especially for the solo parents. So, my child one day came home, tud ko na nagamit, Mama, we were asked to make drawings of our families. Kasi ang tinuturo sa atin, ang pamilya ay may nanay, tatay, ano ba? Anak, di ba? May bunso, may kuya, di ba? Kunana. So ang question niya sa akin, Mommy, when will I have an ating? O, di ba? So how do you answer? Okay lang po, Mommy, when will I have an ating? Kasi ano nga ipiman, no jay nang damagan da itjay kud, jay awan ti nana, or tatang na, di ba? Or awan kakabsat na. So siguro, when we talk of equality and equity, we also look at the differences. So ang tanong ko sa kanya, so how did the teacher answer? Did everyone have a same drawing? No, Mommy, everyone had different drawings. And the teacher said, it's okay that you have different drawings. Ibig sabihin, magkakaiba po talaga ang pamilya na meron tayo. And the difference makes us unique. It doesn't make us less. So, lagi po sana nating tatandaan that even the smallest stories of everyone makes a difference. Ijay kung kunagaro ni Mayor Tatay nga, no pagplano tayo, panunutin tayo, no amin kud mainayon. So when we say we are building bridges for everyone, we have to make sure that everyone's story is listened to. And this expo, again, emphasizes to the indigenous peoples that our culture matters and our identity matters. To our women, It emphasizes that leadership matters. To our youth, your voice matters. To the senior citizens, your experiences and wisdom matter. And to the persons with disabilities, your abilities matter. For the solo parents, it's the sacrifices that you do. And for everyone gathered here, you matter. Makisabi po sa katabi nyo, you matter. Later on, pumanaw kayo dito yung gymnasium, but that is when the real work begins. Not tomorrow, we have to act now. Laging sinasabi ng mga bata, wait lang, 5 minutes. But we cannot afford to say, wait lang. Because the true measure of this Equality Expo is not how many people have attended, kanina pulpuno teaching, but rather how we live the messages that we have received today. And embodying equality and equity has to be a daily choice. So ang tanong natin ngayon, how do we start? And the answer is, start with ourselves. Start with how we look at situations. Dahil kung tayo mismo, sinasabi natin na walang pagkakaiba ang role ng lalaki at babae or ang lalaki at babae mismo, hindi natin nakikita ang pagkakaiba ng bawat isa. Secondly, we start with our children. We teach them respect and that being different is okay. Alam niyo ba, kanina nung tinutugtog ang La Trinidad hymn at ang Benguet hymn, I was born here in Benguet but I do not know the hymns. I only got to know the hymns because my son was taught na i-memorize na ano ti Benguet kung La Trinidad hymn. At doon ko lang natutunan. So we start with our children. Sila din ay maituturo sa atin dahil sila ang kinabukasan ng ating pamayanan. Today, we also tell our boys that it's okay to cry. And we also tell our girls na okay lang to be strong because women or girls need not be weak. And that is why the lesson is we start with our family. That is why, sabi nga ni Mayor kanina, when we plan, we ask, was everyone considered? Pag aakyat ba tayo sa kalugong, lahat tayo makakarating doon. Today, La Trinidad has started a very courageous step. And this expo, kung nagkaroon ni Mayor, will be institutionalized and it will become a tradition that future generations proudly continue. May it remind us that differences are not weaknesses, but rather strengths. Because the differences of each other brings color to an otherwise very dull world. So this month, we are actually celebrating Pride Month. Tama po ba? Yes? Yes. And why is it called Pride Month? Kasi no, religious sector, kumakot, pride is one of the deadly sins. Diba? But pride is the other side or the opposite of shame. Being different is something that we should be proud of, not be ashamed of. Because life is more colorful life is better in colors. So when we leave today this gymnasium, let us promise a better tomorrow for all our La Trinidad, kababayan, and constituents, the whole of Cordillera, and of course, the Philippines. Let's listen to each other's stories. Let us ensure that no one is left behind. Promise ha, walang iwanan. Number one, sabihin nyo nga, walang iwanan. Second, lahat kasama. Lahat kasama. And lastly, lahat mahalaga. Lahat mahalaga because every person matters. And again, dahil sabi nga ni Vice, baka matalimudaw tayo, tibisin tayo. Again, congratulations La Trinidad on this very historic event. Mabuhay po ang La Trinidad at Biag Cordillera. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.